This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rita Breimer. Great investment opportunity. Excellent vacation location. Adorable and well-kept cabin, minutes from Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. Cabin hasa strong rental history. Beautiful woodwork throughout cabin has been meticulously maintained. With the open floor plan in the great room kitchen and extra space in the game room and extra large master bedroom, the cabin's person potential could easily be expanded for greater rental potential. The back of the cabin boasts 2 decks with a large hot tub, sitting area, grill and prviate wooded view. Fully furnished. This cabin has limited showing availability since it is so frequently booked. For more information, review the details below or contact Rita Breimer at 865-342-4200.